How to get $100 shop.com promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in couponfollow.com and search for it. Now open this website option couponfollow.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you will see this search option. Click on it. Over there, type in shop.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the shop.com coupon codes page. Now over here, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll down. So you can see that $150 off, likewise 60% off, 25% off, and so on. In this page, you will be able to find amazing and exciting offers. So you can go through these. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you need to do is click on the option of see details. Now you can copy this code, and whenever you check out, you can apply this code and use it. By applying the same process, you can use any of the promo code and deals that you're interested in. Or else what you can do is click on this option of redeem at shop.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of shop.com. Now you can log into your account. Now whenever you check out, apply this code. So this is how you can get $100 shop.com promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.